Excited ka na bang malaman ang bagong pre-selling condo dito sa Uptown Bonifacio, BGC? Tara, samahan niyo ako. Uptown Modern is located in Uptown Bonifacio, BGC Taguig. This 54-story residential tower will soon be the tallest in the Uptown BGC, offering a unique living experience na swak sa lifestyle ng new generation. Each unit is built with a smart home feature from application control LED lights and appliances to RFID elevator and parking access at may kasama pang inverter aircon at digital locks. Uptown Modern is walking distance lang sa Uptown Mall, Mitsukoshi Mall, Landers, St. Luke BGC, Best School, and future mass transit hub. Everything you dream of is just an elevator ride away. Dito, hindi mo lang mararamdaman ang convenience. You also enjoy energy saving and modern comfort. Siyempre, hindi lang sa unit maganda. Check out the resort-style amenities. May pool, gym, co-working space, sky lounge, at function room. And yes, pet-friendly din siya, kaya perfect para sa mga pet lovers. Unit available, studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom. Kung interesado ka or gusto mo magpa-schedule ng viewing, message mo lang ako. I help you every step of the way.